Hello, this is Mike Schmidt, and for my emerging technology report, I will be discussing Google Documents. So what are Google Apps for education? Google has many apps, including Docs, Slides, Forms, and Sheets. Okay, so there's a wide variety of apps that teachers can select to use in an education setting. However, today I'm going to specifically focus on Google Docs as it can really connect and be implemented into any grade level or subject in a school. Google Apps for Education is completely free and it's really versatile as you can access it from any device such as a phone, a tablet, a computer, and really it's easy to access it wherever you have Wi-Fi. So if you're at home, at a restaurant, a coffee shop, in a classroom setting, can really access Google from anywhere. And as a teacher, really benefits the teacher as they can create an entire class and then send or share assignments to classes or selected students or group within a class. And for students, it's really a way to stay organized. They can start a conversation about an assignment or a report as they can post comments or questions back and forth. They can also upload documents or photos and videos or any assignment that they are working on in class. They can also, again, they can do this at home or in the classroom. One important aspect in education today is collaboration, and that is getting students to work together as a group to complete an assignment. So students would be actively participating, they are engaged in the material, they're problem solving, and also needs to extend and challenge learning. So again, Google Docs really hits on the aspect of collaboration where students are working together on an assignment, where they are commenting, participating, engaging back and forth with one another on some sort of problem or assignment that they have. So Google Docs allows you to write, edit, collaborate, and I have a brief video just to show you.
Google Docs lets you create, share, and collaborate on documents online. Instead of creating a document, sending it as an attachment, receiving multiple revisions, and then having to merge edits, with Google Docs, everyone works on the same version in real time. And Google Docs just got better with rebuilt editors for documents, spreadsheets, and drawings, designed to improve collaboration, increase speed, and create richer documents. Google Documents have much better import fidelity, making it easier to move your documents into the cloud. We've also added tab stops, a ruler to control margins in a document, and improved how images interact within documents. The comment system makes it easy to add, reply, and move comments around in a document. And collaboration now happens in real time. You can see what others are typing with no need to refresh the page or wait, reducing confusion and saving you time. We've also made some big improvements to Google Spreadsheets. Now you can edit a cell from the formula bar, use autofill, drag and drop columns, and navigate easily between sheets. Significant speed and performance improvements make spreadsheets load faster and scrolling seamless. And as always, real-time collaboration, chat, and cell presence work for many people at once. We've also added a standalone editor for drawings to Google Docs. It's easy to make charts, diagrams, and other schematics. As with Google Docs and spreadsheets, you can also chat while you collaborate on drawings. We hope these improvements to Google Docs help you and your teams be more productive. To try them out or to learn more, visit docs.google.com.
Okay, so that video did an awesome job summarizing what Google Docs can do for students in the classroom. So as you see, students are easily able to edit a document with others in the class, making comments in real time as they are completing an assignment. And also that can even extend to other subject areas such as math, social studies, science. So taking a look at some different tools within Google Docs, as you may have seen through the video, it's pretty similar if you think about Microsoft Word, where it gives you kind of a standard blank sheet, but it gives you many different text options, alignment and formatting tools as well. You can choose again from a variety of templates such as lab reports. Maybe students choose a template for class notes or a book report. Also an easy way to type up and edit an essay. And again, it gives you you can easily add images, text, and color throughout the formatting. And then you can just save it, upload it to the cloud, and it is into your Google Drive account. So it's easily accessible and easy to share with others, with the teacher, or with somebody in the classroom. And some benefits of Google Docs, again, you can share different documents, you can make comments, highlight specific questions, post different questions. You could complete a report or assignment as a group, and a teacher can view the progress of a student and the content that the student has created, and the teacher can then post anything from a comment to let the student know how they're doing and maybe what steps they can take to revise an assignment. And in my experience, I have really used Google Docs in the ELA setting in a school district in 6th and 8th grade. I've had my students, they all had a Google account where they had an email through Google Drive, and I was able to post an assignment about a text-dependent analysis question, which they had to type up a 5-paragraph essay. So the students had to type up an essay based on the question, and I gave them a couple days in class to work on that. I believe 2 or 3 days, and then the third or fourth day, the student then shared their essay with another student in class. So it kind of worked as an online peer editing activity where each student would make comments, questions. They could highlight sections, they could bold or make red sections where they think that student should go back and revise any details or content throughout their essay without actually changing it for that student. Then the student would share it back to the original editor, and they could make any revisions for their final copy of their essay. I found the students really enjoyed using Chromebooks to do this assignment as opposed to writing it by hand and getting a checklist for a peer editing assignment. So it's kind of a way to interact. Students can interact throughout a class and be engaged in a new learning experience. And how does it extend learning? So through collaborative writing, so providing immediate feedback, students can self-generate questions to post and discuss. Collaborative brainstorming, so maybe students are working together to map out a class project, maybe all the key components that they need for a social studies or science project. And outside of class as well, students can work from home on any device. Maybe they set up a meeting time where the group members want to get online and they can create their report or finish up writing an essay, so they can work with their group at home outside of the classroom or make edits on their own and which other students in their group can see. So it's a great way to interact not only in class but outside of the classroom. And here are the resources as well for my presentation. I hope you enjoyed my presentation for my emerging technology of Google Docs, and maybe you'll consider to use Google Docs in the future in your classroom.